Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, zokhumbula ukuthi ngeviki eliphelile uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa nalaba behambe nabo kubala kubona uJohn Steenhuisen, Johan Robert nabanye bebeyele eWashington beyobonana noPresident Trump. Kuningi kokukhulunyiwe lapha kodwa akubeke kwacaca uJohn Steenhuisen ukuthi bona bangene kuGovernment of National Unity ngoba benqanda ukuthi MK Party kanye neEFF ingabi ingxenye yegovernment. Isona sizathu nje sikhulu esenza ukuthi basebenzisane neANC bashade neANC noma bazi ukuthi abavumelani 80% wezinto abakholelwa kuzo kodwa nje kunokuthi kube khona icoalition phakathi kweANC, iMK Party neEFF ngcono kungene bona. Base bethi abantu abaningi including nami sathi thina iEFF neMK ifuna abahlangana uma kunje ngoba shuthi izitha zabo ihlangene zilwa nabo. Khona ke insizwe ebhalile lapha ku Twitter ukuthi no ufunakala abahlangane babeke nje pride eceleni. Wa responda uCIC wathi it will not happen. Besithi kusekuncane lo kodwa sambuza uCIC nje ebekhuluma izolo waphinda lo ndaba leyo. Washo ukuthi bona ngeke baze bahlangane neMK Party ngeke noma ngathiwa abantu bayafuna kube njalo kodwa ngeke kuze kwenzeke. Into engizoyenza manje ngizocaphuna uJohn Steenhuisen esebuyileke sebembuza futhi esebuyile eWashington uphendule kanje.
I think it was also very important to indicate that Mr. Malema and Mr. Zuma, who featured in the video shown, are not members of government. And the Democratic Alliance has joined the Government of National Unity precisely to ensure that the centre in South Africa holds, and we keep radicals who want to hate, who want to kill, who want to break out of the seat of power and keep the rational centre in there. That's the whole reason we're in the Government of National Unity. I think it was very important to make that point, that the government that was sitting in the Oval Office today was made up of a variety of parties, and that we're committed to building South Africa, not breaking South Africa. I was not prepared for him to show footage of Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma and their rhetoric, but nonetheless I think it gave us a very good opportunity to indicate that that's not the policy of our government. Those are not people who are in government in South Africa, and that we're precisely there to keep people like that away from the seat of power.
Ngibomuzwa nje uBasJohn echaza ukuthi bak-emphasizile kuDonald Trump ukuthi no labantu abachantayo lapha abacula ingoma Kill the Boer na yonke lento le abayisingxenye government futhi uthi kwenzeka noma bebengekho prepared ukuthi angasadlala ivideo live eza khona uMalema no Jacob Zuma becula kodwa lokho kuba kubaphithuba lokuthi bakuveza ukuthi labantu abavela lapha abasingxenye government futhi njengoba beku GNU bangenele lokho ukuthi benze isiqiniseko sokuthi laba abantu ababi ingxenye. Into engifuna ukuyenza ke kule video ngifisa ukuveza iphuzu elizothi kunento eshuwo abantu makukhulunywa kuthiwa iEFF yayingenankinga neMK Party kodwa iEFF yaqala ukuba nenkinga neMK Party mzukwane iMK Party ithatha uFloyd Shivambu. Kodwa ngifisa ukuveza kule video ukuthi leso statement asilona iqiniso. Ngizosiveza la ukuthi kwasekuqaleni kwakungenanhloso yokuthi basebenzisane ezama political parties abantu abamnyama yilona lo ubheka ipower ngilokho nje ngase ngikusho athi ngicaphuna u10 uCIC
to the EFF lesikabutsa maka ke bo Ace Makhashule ba re ba batla unity of black people Makhashule a batla unity of black people. Why a formula spaza shop says high as a joiner EFF that existed before he formed the spaza shop? Unalele qhegu ko Natala kwa le re ba re ke Zuma le re le batla unity le ba rena reunite le Zuma. We will never unite with Zuma who wants to kill the EFF. Will never unite with MK that exists to destroy the EFF. We are not friends to the enemies of the EFF. Whether Trump says the same thing about the two of us, we don't care. We must never be tempted to unite with the agents who want to destroy the EFF. If Zuma batla unity of black people, Why did he form MK when there was EFF? Because how from a party you are already dividing people. You must join the existing organization that pursues the same agenda, which is the EFF. There is no unity they are talking about. They are pretentious about it. Zuma is about himself and about his family. That's why he went to form that Spaza show. Today, Kopi is complaining about Parys. Hi told me today. Isale tomile kanakwa Ace Makashule khale. Ankadinto adisa ko Parys. Today Urutlo contest mo what 16. A contest of young because he's the one who brought people from Parys to come and work a year at Kwakwati. He went to fetch the money and make sure that Parys looks like Paris, whereas we are suffering.
Njengoba umuzwa ku CIC echaza ukuthi uzwile kuthiwa kufuna kube ne-unity but there is no unity oba kwakufuneka laba bangavuli ama political parties wabo ofuna abajoin i-EFF. Njoba ngithela ngizokucaphunela i-video ezokuvezela ukuthi yonke lento eyenzakalayo ayenzeki ngoba uFloyd ejoine eshi EFF or join MK party. Leyo kwase kuyi excuse ekufuna kubanjelelwe kuyo. Kwasekuqaleni babengenanhloso ukuthi kusetshenziswane noma bake basupportana bona. Kodwa nje ukuthi makuthiwa nje akusetshenziswane sikhulume ngazwilinye akulona iqiniso. No Floyd ke uphendulile mayelana nodaba. Ngiyeza kule video ngithi ngiphethe. No Floyd uphendulile mayelana nalolu daba la bekhuluma khona. Ngicela ukuthi uzwe la.
Stay in squalor and suffering. And when Mkhonto Sizwe says that for us to change the conditions of black people in South Africa, in the African continent, in the African diaspora, one of the things that we need is unity. Someone says, no, we don't want unity. The only way we can win these battles is to appreciate that we have to unify ourselves. And this requires us to have sound organization so that we can appeal to our people. Comrades, I said that I'm going to stick to revolutionary discipline and speak about the topic of today. I have done so. Thank you very much. If I have done so, well, thank you very much, comrades. Let's continue to repeat the clarion call that was mentioned in the last sentence of December 16, 1961, when Umkhonto Sizwe, the Liberation Army was founded and announced. And that clarion call was Africa, Mayuye, Mayuye, yeah, Africa.
Ngoba umuzwa ke uFloyd ethi noma isimo sisithi ukuze kunqotshwe kukulwela abantu laba esithi sibamele silethi inkululeko kubantu bakithi sithi semakuhlangane kodwa kunomuntu othi yena akayifuni unity kusho uFloyd akazange ambize ngagama uthi nje kodwa kunomuntu othi yena akayifuni unity wayesethi yena kodwa uzostika kwi-topic le akeze ukuphuma kuyo kodwa nje uyasho ukuthi kuze kugcine kulungisekile funeka ama political parties ahlangana. Umbuzo enginawo mina kungani i-MK party mayihlangana ne-ATM ingayivalanga i-ATM kodwa ikhetha ukuthi ifuna ukuvala i-EFF. Lento ayiwakho umqondo kimi ngiyacela wazi yangichazela ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi kukhona i-ATM incane ngeminyaka kune-EFF i-EFF indala ineminyaka ikhona kodwa ungathiwa akuvalwe i-EFF kodwa ingayivala i-ATM kusho ukuthini lokhu kusho ukuthini ngempela asidlulele phambili ngicela uzwe nansi ke ivideo.
I remember because before the government of national unity was formed, you formed the Progressive Caucus, EFF, ATM, and Al Jamaa nezinye. And you said, look, you are an alternative to EDA and FF+. But then, weeks after, someone by UDM has left the Progressive Caucus, PAC has left independently.
There was a lot of dishonesty in that Progressive Caucus.
Is it, no?
When we were at the National Results Center after the election results were declared,
Okay.
the first thing we said was, as opposition parties, simapha ezikonini sathi funa siyixoxe le nto sibone siyo negotiate as a block
Okay.
xa sisiya to ANC.
To ANC.
And before we knew it, the EFF was negotiating with the ANC, no block.
No block. Sebeqala.
Sebeqala negotiate ne-ANC.
Mm.
It was only after those negotiations broke down that kwa EFF yona yathi ngoku, comrades, actually, let's do this thing as a block.
Oh, okay. Baphinda babuyela kuni.
Yeah, yabona siyasetyenziswa ke ngoku.
Okay.
Yeah. So negotiations ziyaqhuba. Baqala the first party kulaa block unegotiate ne-ANC was the EFF. And when the negotiations broke down, the EFF then convened the Progressive Caucus. Up until that time, thina besibukele ezi negotiations kwi-sidelines were bilaterals as informal between party leaders naturally. So nathi ke ngoku siya negotiate mas. Bona they didn't agree with the ANC. So when they agreed with the ANC, when we agreed with the ANC, what were we supposed to do?
Into enhle ngale nkulumo lo qeda kizwa isho umholi we-UDM. Ngoba ukuba isho we-MK Party ngabe le nkulumo ayizwakali kahle. Kodwa isho umuntu oseceleni we-UDM. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi kule video ngizokuvezela isizathu esithi akungobi EFF inenkinga ne-MK ngesizathu sokuthi uFloyd waphuma futhi nanokuthi i-MK Party beyifuna ukubulala i-EFF akusona isizathu leso. Ingakho mina ngizibuza ukuthi kungani i-MK ingayibulalanga i-ATM kodwa i-ATM ikhona namanje. Asiyeke leyo. Kodwa nje ngisho ukuthi mawuzwa njoba kuchazwa la bavumelana. Uthe nje mayiqala wathi bekunama dishonest amaningi bebengekho honest. So njobe bengekho honest bavumelana no sizo negotiator as a block. EFF yona yakhetha ukuyo negotiator yona. Yakhetha ukuyo negotiator ne-ANC without a block. So lokhu sekuyakuvezela ukuthi i-unity EFF ayizimisele ukuba nayo. Ayizimisele. Ngizocaphuna ivideo i-interview ka-CIC. CIC ngimkhonzile by the way. Khonzile kakhulu. Ungamanye ama-leader engimuzwa kahle. Ingakho nje ngimlandelele. Kodwa phela ukukhonza umuntu nokuthanda umuntu akusho ukuthi uma ngabe ubona enzinto noma eshinto sekufuna ukuvumelana naye kuyo yonke into cha. Akukho kanjani. Kodwa uma uzwa nje usuyeza ukuthi kwasekuqaleni yayingekho inhloso yokuthi babe ne-unity nabanye. Cela ukucaphuna le video yokugcina bese siyayivala le video. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ucomment, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Mhlawumbe ngirong, uma ngirong ngiphe information right ungangiphikisi mahala.
So your assessment by now should be clear.
We suffered like all political parties to the MK. The EFF's numbers look exactly as we know them. We are not where we were in 2014. We got certain numbers in 2014, increased those numbers in 2019. And where that increase came from was in KZN. And that's why in KZN, we reduced our members to mere 2 members of the legislature. And in most other provinces, we increased our members. So we know where our problem comes from. Our problem is in KZN, and our people were misled and organized on the basis of tribalism and backwardness. And lies and in the main. And therefore, we are duty-bound, and I'm happy I see the public representatives and structures of the EFF province in KZN on the ground, servicing the masses of our people as we prepare to open schools tomorrow and weeks to come, and also leading issues of service delivery. So
Uyachaza CIC la ukuthi into eyenzekile njengoba kube ne decline njengoba bagcina ethele 9% kuma-national elections basafare kakhulu ku-MK party njengamanye ama-political parties. Usho ukuthi abantu abaningi ebebevotela i-EFF bagcine sebevotela i-MK. Kodwa-ke manje useyakubeka ukuthi abantu laba bebe-misled on the basis of i-tribalism nayo yonke lento. Sizoqhubeka naye ku-CIC kodwa ngifisa ukuthi lento azisho la sizinote njengoba ezisho.
Come to that, but I want you to zone in on the MK. Basically, you are saying your problem was MK.
Yes.
MK has chowed your breakfast.
Absolutely. MK took from us in KZN, in Gauteng, where MK got, that's where the EFF votes have declined.
It's my impression that...
And in Mpumalanga.
Yeah, I've got two impressions you may correct. One is that you wanted Zuma to endorse EFF.
Yes.
He refused, he formed his own party.
Yes.
So immediately at that point, am I right to say you didn't think that he was going to propel to such a rapid upward trajectory? In other words, you assumed, right, that he will come in way below EFF and then you'll be able to partner with them. So there was never a dismissal of MK as a potential partner.
Well, we knew that President Zuma is going to form a party after we persuaded him to endorse the EFF. Just imagine if President Zuma had endorsed the EFF, we will be very far, especially when he talks about this unity of political
progressive
parties.
Forces.
You find a progressive party. And then you say, no, I'm going to form another party so that you close your party and join my party. No, we were not saying close anything. We were saying endorse. I even went beyond to say we can then sit down so that you address your concerns with me and say, you know, when you guys take over, the following issues need to be attended to. It was an honest discussion that me and him had.
So what went wrong? Because
no, nothing went wrong. His mind was made up.
In terms of
forming a party. In terms of forming a party, his mind was made up. There was no one who was going to convince him. But one thing that you must all observe, and it's a very interesting thing, and I'm happy because I was part of it and I'm no longer part of it, and I can watch it from outside and I laugh at those who are supporting these nonsensical things.
Zathi esenza ukuthi ngithi eqaleni zinote lezinto yamuza uCIC uthi he was part of it manje sekayibukela ekudeni kodwa usekuvezile ukuthi into bona babeyifuna ukuthi akabancoma uJacob Zuma shuthi akaba endorse ukuze bezokwazi ukuthola amavoti bezophatha kanti naye uJacob Zuma ufuna ukuphatha into inkinga nje kulabo ababili Jacob Zuma ufuna ukuphatha uMalema naye ufuna ukuphatha iyona into enza ukuthi ngeke kuze kube neunity phakathi kwabo nje bafuna ukuphatha abo babili. It's all about themselves bona lento ade isho ngoZuma into eyenzeka inqo kuye ifana nse lento kade isho ukuthi uZuma it's all about himself and his family. Naye uMalema ngokunjalo banesifo esifanayo. Bahlangana njobethi base bazi ukuthi uzofoma ipolitical party. Uzumbuza kahle uJJ Tabane ukuthi uprofessor uthi so uma umeyiform ipolitical party yakhe beningazitsheli ukuthi ingase yenze kahle mhlambe nitshela ukuthi izoba ngaphansi kwenu bese niyapartnera nayo. Uthi yena no ukuba uJacob Zuma beba endosile bebezophatha ingakazi athi wazo wathi kuye cha sizohlala phansi nawe bese uma sesiphethe usho ukuthi yini efuna silungise nisimise kanjani kodwa inkinga yalabo ababili bafuna ukuphatha inkinga yabo nje. So ngeke kube neunity, angeke kube neunity ngoba iunity izophoqa ukuthi akuphathe omunye ngoba phela ngeke baphathe bobabili. Iunity nje izophoqa ukuthi akube khona ophathayo. Ingakho ke siyayisiya kubeka kwacaca ukuthi angeke zibe khona iunity. Abakhohlwa abantu laba bayibone engenzeka ibe khona ayabakhohlwa ngeke izibe khona. Ngiyacela kuze ukuphawula kwakho. Mina nawe sidibane video landelayo. Yingakho lo bhuti weUDM eshilo ukuthi sebehlangene benza isivumelwano iEFF yahamba unegotiator neANC eceleni ngoba beyifuna ukuthola ideal ezoyibeka emandleni okuphatha. ezoyibeka emathubeni ukuthi beyingxenye yokuphatha. Iyona nto ehamba phambili. Yingakho bayishiya abalahla isivumelwano ababesenzile ukuthi bazo-negotiate as a block. Kodwa bakhetha ukuthi bahambe bo-negotiate. Uma sebebona ama-negotiations awahambi ngendlela bona bebecabange ngayo, sebeyabuya bethi asiyo-negotiate sonke. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho.